Today, Beats by Dre.
Black Friday prices.
I am not a fan of Beats by Dre, not even close.
I am. I love them. They're just amazing. I love them. I have blue Beats. They're great.
For those of you wondering, Beats is obviously not paying me to talk about them today, although it sounds like they've paid Dominique.
They didn't, but I wouldn't mind if they did.
Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite.
And I'm Job Shadow, Dominique.
Future intern, amazing person. I find huge deals every day. The only time I've really strongly disagreed with you ever in life right now is with regards to this product. The #1 request from our viewers, it doesn't matter how many Bluetooth speaker deals I've shown you and how great they've been right here. We've tested some with intern Casey and intern Amy and you. They all perform the exact same way, but it's something about this particular brand where Apple knows what they're doing and you all want this. Right, Dominique?
Yes.
I have found the lowest recorded Beats price in the country, which is located right under the video screen. We are not giving this away for free in this video.
Not today.
No. Since this is a huge item, and I know many of you are looking to win this, I am going to allow you to subscribe today with your notifications turned on to give you that eligibility opportunity, and we're gonna give this away right after Black Friday with every other major doorbuster guaranteed for subscribers. Are you excited, Dominique?
Definitely.
Before I give you the audio test and the unboxing, the deal I found located right under this video screen gets you $100 off the Beats Pill 2.0 wireless special edition speakers. Amazon has it on sale where it's hugely well rated for $183. I beat Amazon by a long shot, under $130. And a reminder, for all of your future deals, make sure you're on my deal list. That'll make sure every doorbuster gets to you first so you can skip this mayhem. I'm now going to stream wirelessly from this laptop, a great royalty-free track so you can hear the audio quality. Cody, back up. I want you to go maybe 30, 40 feet away, and I want people to hear how you can still enjoy this speaker. Now, Cody is at least 40 or 50 feet away. As you can hear the fact I'm yelling and he's using the microphone only on the camera, I want you to see that this room-filling sound really does travel. Check this out. That is the power of this early Black Friday doorbuster 50 feet away. Now I know the special edition one is something that many of you have your eyes on, and I respect your wishes. The sound out of both obviously identical, it's just the color change that makes this a special edition, and this one has a bit of a different design element to it. You get your own volume controls. You can stream from about 30 feet away. Patent Beats booster where you can increase the level of bass that you would otherwise not be able to hear in many other competing products. You get 4 individual speakers on this. The bass is rubberized, which is nice. It does not slide around. It does have a durability to it. It does have, as they promise, 7 hours of battery life, which I can agree is the case with this particular item. The case that it comes with, just another reason people buy Beats for all of the accessories. You get the Beats branded USB cables, that red, which is very distinct that I know a lot of people like, and a nice plug port as well as the UK one included if you do travel.
The level of detail on this is amazing and the packaging is amazing. Okay, I'm trying to explain this.
Okay, just keep talking about how great Beats is.
And I mean, I just love it. I love this color the best. Just a side note. I like the white and blue. It's cool.
Dominique. I know many of you love Beats. You can hear her excitement. I share none of that. But I do understand that this is, as you've alluded to, a beautifully engineered product. And yes, the packaging, which we've just shown you, is superb compared to many other competitors. The sound, as much as I don't want to admit it, is amazing. The sound really is incredible. And if you want this, you can grab this. It's located right under the video screen.
Matt, when are we having the headphone deals that I just finished testing?
You mean the Beats wireless headphone deals that everyone's asking for?
Yeah, the Fantabulous, which is fabulous and fantastic combined deals. Yeah.
So creative, Dominique.
Thank you. You can also say fantabulistic. That works too. Or, yeah, fantabulous, fantabulistic.
I just like that you're using time right now where I don't have to talk about Beats because you're using other adjectives, and I think that's great. The next major Beats deal is going to be within the next week. It's an early doorbuster that I promise if you are a subscriber, you will get that notification. Make sure your notifications are turned on. That is your key to getting Beats deals, holiday deals, everything else. Dominique, I'm going to eat my words a little bit on this. When we set out to review this and I compare this to all of these other speakers, I will say that this really does have that edge despite the higher price. I would not pay full price for this, but this price is unbelievable.
Yes, this is definitely something that I can afford, and of course, I'm buying this deal.
If you want to buy this deal, a reminder, this will not be around long. You get your choice of colors. And for those of you that worry, a lot of the time when I feature Beats, everyone's like, oh, it's not, it's real. It's 100% real. It is Beats. It is a 100% Beats deal. You also get the UK or the US plug with these, which is a bonus on its own. So you want to grab that, there you go.
For those of you who want to get the amazing, fantastic free Beats, just click right here and subscribe on Matt's head.
Thanks, Dominique. For those of you that want to find a better deal or another deal or something that's not Beats, just click here. And a reminder, if you need help turning your notifications on so you don't miss this future giveaway with the next week or so, click right here. You'll be good to go.
You don't want to miss it.